ሰላም ሰላም የግሬስ ፋርማ ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁሉ ሰላም። ዛሬ ደግሞ ፓርት ቱ ሲኦሲ ፎር ፋርማሲ ኤግዛም ስቱደንትስ 2050 ኢትዮጵያ ካላንደር የሆኑትን ፒውር ሲኦሲ ጥያቄዎችን ይዘንላችሁ መጥተናል። እንግዲህ ሁልጊዜ እንደምንላችሁ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቤተሰቦች ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ እንዲሁም የደወል ምልክቱን በመጫን በየጊዜ እየሰራን የምንለቃቸው ለኤግዚት ኤግዛም ፕሪፓሬሽን ፕላስ ፎር ፋርማሲ ሲኦሲ ፕሪፓሬሽን የሚጠቅሙ ሲግኒፊካንት የሆኑ ቪዲዮዎችን በቀላሉ አክሰስ ማድረግ እንድትችሉ ይደብራችሁ ዘንድ የደወል ምልክቱን በመጫን እንዲሁም ቪዲዮ ላይክ በማድረግ እንድትጀምሩ እናሳስባለን። እንግዲህ ባለፈው ፓርት ዋን ላይ ፒውር ሲኦሲ የሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን ከቁጥር 1 እስከ 6 ያሉትን ለማየት ሞክረናል። እንግዲህ ዛሬ ደግሞ የሚቀጥሉ የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎችን ከማብራሪያ ጭምር ለማየት እንሞክራለን። ሶ ኩዌስችን ነምበር 7 ደርሰናል። ሆስፒታል ስቶር ማናጀር ኢዝ processing request of pharmaceutical from OPD dispensary. He or she is transcribing information from internal facility report and resupply form or IFRR onto an issuing voucher. So the information transcribed including dates, name, dispensing unit, code of the product, description of the product, batch number, unit of measurement, quantity received, total selling price, and expired date. So what is the most likely issuing voucher that the store manager used? A. Model 20, B. Model 22, C. Model 6, D. Model 19. So the correct answer is Model 22, B is the correct answer. So ወደ ማብራሪያ በምንመጣበት ጊዜ in pharmaceutical logistic system or particularly in public health supply system such as Ethiopia Integrated Pharmaceutical Logistics System, different store forms are used for various transactions. So model 19 ወይም internal facility report and resupply form የምንለው used by dispensing unit to request and report to stock the main store አይደለ? ሶ ይሄ ሞዴል 19 ወይም IFRR የምንለው የተለያዩ ዲስፔንሲንግ ዩኒቶች ሪኩዌስት የሚያደርጉበት ሞዴል ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ ሞዴል 20 ቢን ካርድ ዩዝድ ቱ ሪኮርድ ስቶክ ሙቭመንት እንደ ባላንስ ፎር ኢች ፕሮዳክት አይደለ? ሶ ሞዴል 22 ስንመጣ ደግሞ ኢሹዊንግ ቫውቸር ዩዝድ ዌን ዘ ስቶር ኢሹ ፋርማሲውቲካል ቱ ዲስፔንሲንግ ዩኒትስ ኦር departments. So it includes details such as date enroll, name of the receiving unit, product code and the description, batch number, unit of measurement, quantity issued, expired date, and the total selling price. So according to this scenario, the correct answer is model 22 B ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ወደ 8ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ A pharmacist is keeping a stock record of paracetamol 500 mg tablets. He or she placed the record on the pallet where the medication is found. So the record included the stock on the hand of paracetamol for that batch only. Beside any loss and adjustment for the specified batch were recorded. So what is the most likely type of stock keeping record the pharmacist is using? A. Bin card, B. Stock card, C. Inventory card, D. Store ledger card. So the correct answer is bin card. So ወደ ማብራሪያ ስንመጣ the bin card is a stock record kept physically at the storage location, bin, shelf or pallet for each specific product and the batch አይደለ? ሶ እነዚህ ቢን ካርዶች የት ነው የሚሆኑት? ዊዝ ከፕሮዳክቱ ጋር ነው አይደለ? ሶ ከፕሮዳክቱ ጋር ሸልፍ ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይ ፓሌት ሊሆን ይችላል። ፎር ኢች ፕሮዳክት ፎር ኢች ስፔሲፊክ ፕሮዳክት ፕላስ ፎር ኢች ስፔሲፊክ ባች አንድ ላይ ሆኖ ይቀመጣሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ ኮሬክት አንሰር ኢዝ ቢን ካርድ የምለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ዌልካም ቱ Number 9, a store manager of hospital does not know and implement when to order or issue, how much to order or issue, and how to maintain appropriate stock level of pharmaceuticals. Hence, morbidity increased due to shortage of essential drugs. On the other hand, overstock of less essential pharmaceutical was reported, which precipitates insufficient budget utilization. So, what is the most likely system that the store manager fails to implement? A distribution system, B, procurement system, C, proper storage system, D, inventory control system. So the correct answer is inventory control system ነው አይደለ? So ወደ ማብራሪያ በምንመጣበት ጊዜ an inventory control system is responsible for ensuring that the right quantity of pharmaceutical are available, plus order are placed at the right time, overstocking and stock out are both avoided, and stock levels are continuously monitored and adjusted. So the correct answer is D ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So ወደ 10ኛ ጥያቄ በምንመጣበት ጊዜ hospital pharmacy department reported 100 kg of MPT PVC plastic and glass packaging waste in the previous quarter. So the hospital management decided to deposit it, and the management requests the department to present the recent recommendation of EFDA. So what is the most likely waste disposal method to the department should be present? A, landfill, B, burning on open place, C, high temperature incineration, C, medium temperature incineration. So the correct answer is C, explanation according to Ethiopia Food and Drug Authority or FDA and the WHO guideline for pharmaceutical waste management. High temperature incineration 1200 degrees Celsius or ወይም ከዛ በላይ is the recommended method for disposing of PVC, plastic and glass pharmaceutical packaging waste. So ወደ 11ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ a pharmacist who is working in the central medical store is arranging medicine with the aim of strengthening the security of medicine. So what is the best way of arranging to be used? A, based on pharmacological category, B, based on commodity code, C, based on therapeutic category, D, based on the dosage form. So the correct answer is B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So best choice is B, based on commodity code. This is a method supports security by enabling systematic trafficking, reducing errors, and ensuring compliance with regulation for controlled medication. So it's integrated well with inventory system, making it ensure to monitor stock and detect discrepancy. So the correct answer is ይሆናል። ወደ 12ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ እንግዲህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቤተሰቦች ቻናሉን ሳብስክራይብ በማድረግ እንዲሁም የደወል ምልክቱን በመጫን እንደዚህ በየጊዜ የምንሰራቸውን ሲኦሲ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎችን በቀላሉ አክሰስ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። እንዲሁም እናንተ ለምታውቋቸው ፋርማሲ ተማሪዎች ሼር እንድታደርጉ እንድትደጋገፉ ልናሳስብ እንወዳለን። ወደ 12ኛ ጥያቄ ስንመጣ ዲስፔንሰሪ ፋርማሲስት ሪኩዌስትድ 1000 capsule of 500 milligram amoxicillin capsule from a store. So there were two batch of the medication. Batch A was received on September 2020 and have an expiry date of December 2020, while batch B was received on January 2020 and have expiry date of December 2021. So what is the most appropriate inventory rotation to issue the medication? A, first expired, first out. B, last expired, first out. B, last in, last out. D, first in, first out. So the correct answer is first expired, first out አይደለ? እንግዲህ የተጠየቅነው ምንድን ነው? አንድ ዲስፔንሰሪ ውስጥ የሚሰራ ፋርማሲስት ነው። የጠየቀው 1000 ካፕሱል ኦፍ 500 አሞክሳሲሊን ካፕሱል ነው ፍሮም ዘ ስቶር። ሶ እኛ ጋር ደግሞ ሁለት ባች አለን፣ ባች ኤ እና ባች ቢ። ሶ ባች ኤ ወዝ ሪሲቭድ የተቀበሉት ሰፕተምበር 20 ነው። ሶ ኤክስፓየር ዴቱን በምናይበት ጊዜ ደግሞ እንዲሁ ሰፕተምበር 2020 ላይ ነው። አንኤክስፓየር ዴት ኦፍ 2022 ነው። ዋይል ባች ቢን በምናይበት ጊዜ ደግሞ ምንድነው ሪሲቭድ የተደረገው ጃንዋሪ 20 ላይ ነው፣ 2020 ላይ ማለት ነው። እና ኤክስፓየር ዴቱ ደግሞ ዲሰምበር 21 ነው። ስለዚህ what are the most appropriate inventory rotation issues the medication so first expired first out መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ሶ ወደ ማብራሪያ ስንመጣ first expired first out is the most appropriate method. It ensures that batch B which expired in December 2021 is issued before the batch A which expired in December 2022. So this minimizes the risk of medication expiring, reduce wastes, and align with standard pharmaceutical inventory management and practice for ensuring the safety and the stock efficacy. ሶ ወደ ዛሬ ወደ መጨረሻ ጥያቄ እንሄዳለን። ሶ ወደ 13ኛ ስንመጣ purchased laboratory reagents were loaned on transport vehicle when the vehicle has arrived to the facility after 24 hours of a drive. Some of the reagents were damaged. So what problem most likely occurred? A. Items were substandard. B. Delivery invoice was not sent with. C. Items were not in a good condition. D. Inventory of items was not done. So the correct answer is C. So what explanation ስንመጣ items were not in good condition is the most likely problem. This encompasses issues like improper packing, inadequate temperature control, or poor handling during the 24-hour transport, which could lead to damage of sensitive laboratory reagents. For example, reagents requiring cold chain storage might degrade if not maintained at the correct temperature. So the correct answer is ሲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ለቻናላችን አዲስ የሆናችሁ ቤተሰቦች ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ እንዲሁም የደወል ምልክቱን በመጫን እንደዚህ አይነት ቪዲዮዎችን ለፋርማሲ ሲኦሲ ኤግዛም ፕሪፓሬሽን እንዲሁም ለመውጫ ፈተና የሚጠቅሙ ሲግኒፊካንት የሆኑ ነገሮችን ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። እንግዲህ ከባለፈው ፓርት ተቀጠረ ፒውር 2015 ሲኦሲ ጥያቄዎችን ነው ከነ ማብራሪያ ለማየት የሞከርነው። በቀጣይ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ባይ ባይ።